But I think I've had a great bloody session, and I think this is on our way to the transformation.
Yo! Yes!
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing weight loss paneer palak. We're doing a complete meal with the same. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. We have 100 grams of fresh paneer, half cup chopped spinach, chopped coriander, avocado and salt, pepper. First, I have 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. To that, I'm going to add my chopped spinach. That's about half a cup. I'm going to add is half a teaspoon of salt. And now toss my spinach for about a minute. Now it's giving you a nice color. Now I'm going to add my next ingredient, that is chopped paneer. We have our chopped paneer, that's about 100 grams. And now we are going to cook this on medium flame till the paneer gets slightly golden. To this, I'm going to add my coriander and some black pepper. I'm also going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Once they are slightly done, you can see the paneer is turning golden. To this, I'm going to add my Heinz tomato ketchup, no sugar added. 1 tablespoon contains 10 calories. And here goes. I'm using half a tablespoon. You could also add green chili if you like. Our yummy, delicious weight loss paneer spinach is ready. And our paneer spinach is ready. This is an excellent meal for somebody who's a vegetarian and has less options of protein in their diet. With this, I'm going to add my avo. That's my avocado. And our weight loss paneer spinach is ready. Our weight loss paneer palak is ready. It is an excellent meal option for somebody who's a vegetarian because it contains good amount of protein. Second, it is super quick to make. It makes in less than 10 minutes. Third, it's an ideal meal because it's a complete meal which contains good amount of fats because we have used avocado. It also contains a complete amount of protein and essential vitamins and antioxidants. Lastly, avocados contain monosaturated fats. That means it helps to reduce triglycerides. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Also, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Share it with as many friends and people as possible so that they get intimation of all our videos. Thank you and lots of love.